Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today's topic is car shampoo. Friends, I will show you practically the whole process of making car shampoo without using any machine. The process I will show you is very easy and I will use very basic ingredients to make it so that it will be easy for you to make it. So come, let's start. First, I am showing you the ingredients. See, this is SLES. It is a surfactant, means it is used to make foam. You can purchase it from the industrial chemical shop easily. This is cocoa betaine. It is a co-surfactant. It acts as a foam booster and is easily available in the industrial chemical shop. This is glycerin. It is used for shyness. You can use silicone oil in place of glycerin. This is color, water-based color. You can take any color of your choice. This is perfume, water-based perfume. You can take any perfume of your choice. This is a preservative. It increases the shelf life of shampoo. So it is very important to use preservative. This is a common salt which you use in your kitchen. It is used to increase the thickness of the liquid. This is water. You can take RO water, mineral water, DM water, any water, but please don't take tap water. It will spoil your shampoo. Let's start. See, I have taken SLES in this bowl. See the texture of SLES. It looks like this. Now I am adding water in SLES. Then I am mixing it. Mixing is very important. Mix it properly. See, this has dissolved properly in water. Now I am adding cocoa betaine. Then mix it properly. After mixing cocoa betaine, the liquid turned very thick. So I am adding more water to dilute it. So I am adding water. See, now it looks like this. Now I am adding glycerin. Now I am adding perfume, water-based perfume. Now I am adding preservative. I am adding color, water-based color. Now I am adding salt. See how fast it thickens the liquid. Friend, the solution has become too thick, so I have added some more water. Then mix it properly. See, car shampoo is ready. Friends, now I have taken some water and mixing a small amount of shampoo in this. Friends, see the result, the foam it makes. See, it's too foamy. Friends, now I am telling you the quantity of ingredients for 1 liter car shampoo. For 1 liter car shampoo, take 700 ml of water. Water should be RO water, mineral water. Don't take tap water, otherwise it will spoil your shampoo. Then take 185 ml of SLES. Then take 75 gram cocoa betaine. Then take 20 ml of glycerin or silicone oil. Now for the quantity of salt, the maximum amount of salt to be added in 1 liter of car shampoo should be 20 gram. But the salt should be added very gradually, a little quantity at a time. It depends on you how thick liquid you want. Now for perfume, you can add according to your liking. If you want strong smell, add more perfume. And if you want light smell, you can decrease the amount of perfume. And again for color, you can add according to your liking. Friends, if you have any queries, please write in the comment box. And friends, if you like my video, please share my video with all your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. After pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button, which is very important. By pressing all button, you will always receive notification whenever I make a new video. So pressing all button is very important. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.